How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. One thing I don't have is a lot of videos of this backhoe working. Someone asked me the other day, how fast is this backhoe? I said it's faster than a shovel. So this is the BH70 backhoe on the Kubota, and I'm running a B2301 tractor. I have a decent amount of pipe to put in. If you guys remember a while back when we built the tractor shed, well, I'm getting some water inside the tractor shed. It's coming off the hillside and it's laying in the tractor shed. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in some pipe. I already dug a ditch out back. I didn't get it on video, but I'll show you a little bit of that ditch. I need to get this water from behind the tractor shed. Let me show you what I'm working on. This is about an 8-inch pipe. It's pretty heavy wall pipe. This is an old water line somebody had taken out years ago, and they cut it up in pieces and they let people take it. And I ended up getting some of it. Here's the pipe. Let me show you the thickness. Oh man, look at that thing. It's over an inch thick, probably an inch and a quarter thick. So here's the ditch that I dug the other day. This is the ditch I dug right up behind the garage up there, the workshop, and it come down here, and last night it rained, and man, was I surprised at how much water's in this thing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take that drain pipe, we're going to dig probably right over in here somewhere, and then we're going to dig it straight on down through there, and we're going to try to get that pipe down over the hill, and hopefully that's going to help us keep a lot of the water out of here. It's horrible back in here. And if you guys remember when we first bought the property, there was an old hunting camper or shack right in here, and it was always really wet there. Well, this is where we got the tractor shed, and we got the shop over here, and I've been keeping all my pieces from my tractor, like the 3-point hitch pieces over in there. So hopefully we can get this water to drain out of here. So I say we get started with this tractor and get it going and see if we can get some piping. Okay, we're down to about, I'm gonna say 12 more feet of ditch to dig, but I can't go over the hill. When I tried to come up from the bottom, it's pretty steep. The tractor won't go up the hill, so I'm gonna have to dig it sideways. I would turn around and get on the ditch and dig it back the other way, but I have no way of getting the pipe from over there over to here, so I need to throw my forks on, go down around, and come up and throw that over into the ditch. So it looks like I'm gonna be digging a pretty wide ditch here, because I'm gonna have to get it from about right in here down over that bank. So it looks to be 12, 15 feet. It's gonna be a lot of dirt, but we gotta get this pipe in. I'm thinking maybe I could go over there on that side and back down there a little bit. My thing is getting that heavy pipe over here. I can't lift it by hand. So I'm gonna dig some and see how hard it's gonna be. We'll give it a try. We'll give it a try and see what it'll do here. These pipes are heavy.
Yeah, well,
that's where I want that other pipe. The end of that pipe on back. So you kind of guide me. It has to fall on that.
as close to it as it can get.
Yeah, I can move that one down a little bit.
Okay.
Let me move that one up.
Is this stitch okay?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
fine.
cleaned out or anything?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
So just kind of line me up and I'll roll it in that hole.
Oh, my feet are getting stuck in the mud. Feet.
How much more? That over that way?
No.
I need to go that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
How's that looking?
Still needs to go down that way. It's still a little bit. Yeah, okay. Maybe right there.
All right, here it comes.
Down.
Can you go down?
A little bit more.
here. Flip.
I just come out to see what you were doing. I didn't come out just sucking the mud.
Was there a bag of concrete in there? Okay, we got the pipe in and we got it covered up. I need to clean out on this end down here, the bottom. I need to clean that out a little bit. Yeah, I made kind of a mess down there, but we'll get it straightened out. And as you can see up through here, this all looks pretty decent. I mean, considering what we just dug up, all the mud and everything. Now, here's we're gonna dig this out tomorrow. I'm gonna wait. It's getting dark on us. As you can see, the water right in through here, and there's our pipe right there. It's kind of hard to see, but we're gonna call it quits for tonight. I gotta work tomorrow, so when I get off work, we'll come out and dig that in and straighten this up a little bit, and we'll put some more. I have some dirt that's got a lot of stone in it. We'll put a little bit on top of it, but we'll clean out both ends. So I'll see you guys tomorrow after work. Okay, I just got off work. We're gonna go ahead and break this through and get that water to run down through there. And I have rain on its way. So we're gonna try to hurry up, get this thing cleaned up so we can get this water going. Okay, we got the ditch opened up. I think everything turned out pretty good. It drained that line really good. This goes clear up into where the this goes all the way up to the back of the shop, and I think that's going to keep all that water off of the back of the tractor shed. And it's a good thing because we got rain on its way. It's just over the hill, and I wanted to get home and get this done before it poured down rain, and hopefully it'll keep some of that out of there. So it went down pretty good. So last night we worked pretty late, and I got most of this covered up. It was a big old ditch. It was a little bit rough on this side over here because I couldn't get the tractor up and down there. I had a hard time getting the tractor in, but we got a little bit of cleaning up to do down there. And rain is just on the horizon. We're going to get rained out. So if any of you guys have any questions about how the BH70 backhoe works on the B2301 tractor, you've seen it. It works good. It's definitely better than using a shovel. I'll take it any day over a shovel. So what we're going to do is we're probably going to we're going to dig another ditch out this way, and hopefully it's going to keep the water from down in here laying, because we got a lot of standing water here. We're going to slope this off a little bit more, get a ditch in here to try to keep some of that water from going down over there. We still got to put a gutter on the back of the tractor shed too. I need a gutter up there. That's going to help a lot too if we can get a gutter up there. So it's getting ready to pour down rain, so I'm going to get these cameras put up, get the tractor put away, because we're not going to be able to do much more tonight. I think that's about it. So backhoe worked great. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Until next time.